Hi, hello, I'm Sandhya and welcome to my channel. So today I'm making a summer drink using watermelon, beetroot and carrot. This is a very healthy drink because we are not going to be adding any extra sugar to this. The juice will only have the natural sugars present in the fruit and the vegetables. This is super easy to prepare, so do try it out at home. Just make sure you use less of beetroot because beetroot tends to have an aftertaste. So add more of watermelon and carrot. Before we move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell and like, share and comment. So let's jump right in. So to make this drink, I've taken watermelon which I have cut into cubes and deseeded nicely. I've got some carrot which I've peeled and cut into small pieces and some beetroot which I've cut into small pieces. I've also got some tender coconut water in here which we are going to use to blend the juice. So let's add all the ingredients into a blender and then blend it nicely. So I've added the watermelon, beetroot and carrot into the blender. I'm pouring the tender coconut water on top. Now we'll just blend it for a few seconds. After blending, I'm just sieving it nicely so that we can remove the pulp from the juice. This will make the juice smooth. So the juice is ready. I've got a glass in here with some ice filled in it. I'm pouring the juice on top. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of lime juice into this to neutralize the flavors. And the juice is ready to be served. So do try this during the summers and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.